Damon here for Automotive Superstore, and today we're going to have a look at passive preloaded subwoofer enclosures. So these don't have amplifiers built in, they just drop into your car and you connect them to the existing amplifier you have in the car, or you purchase an amplifier to go along with them. The very entry level, you've got this series here, the XED series, available in single 10 and 12 or dual 10 and 12. They are a 2 ohm nominal load, so they'll match a mono amplifier or the 5th channel on a 5-channel amplifier perfectly for most scenarios. Power handling wise, you're talking between 125 watts RMS for the 10-inch single through to about 300 watts RMS for the dual 12. An amplifier that would be perfect for this series is Cerwin-Vega's CVP series. They've got 3 different models and 3 different power outputs, and these ideally make power at 2 ohms, perfect for these enclosures. If you want something with more output, again, you need to check out this series here, the HED series. Again, single 10 and 12, dual 10 and 12, slightly larger enclosures. The port on these is on the front, dual on the duals and single on the singles. They come with a nice carbon fiber front and the nice mesh steel grille covers. An ideal amplifier for these, and again, 2 ohm nominal load for either the single or the dual boxes, something like the XED series 6001D. This unit here will do 600 watts RMS into a 2 ohm load, which is perfect for something like this big beast right here. If you don't quite have the room for one of these larger style enclosures, you can check out something like this. This is the HED series shallow preloaded enclosure, again available in 10 or 12, again 2 ohm nominal load. It's an entirely smaller package to fit behind a seat in a dual cab, or to take up just less space in your hatchback or your SUV. It also has nice Cerwin-Vega embroidery on the back, and this one about 300 watts RMS, which is ideal for most affordable 2 ohm mono amplifiers that we offer on sale. If you don't really know which one you should really choose for your application, give us a call here at Automotive Superstore, and one of our techs will give you some guidance and some assistance choosing the right package for you. While you're here, like and subscribe, maybe make a comment down below, and I'll see you next time.